Hey everyone, welcome to my wxPython tutorial series. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to build cross-platform desktop applications. So in order to get started, what you need is to first visit my GitHub repository. So I've made all the code available to you. So as of now, you can go on there and download all the code and get set up. So in this GitHub repository, I also laid out some steps to help you get set up with the tutorial series, and basically all you need in order to start developing with wxPython. So the key requirements are Python, obviously, and wxPython. The specific version of Python that I'm going to be using is 3.6, and the flavor of Python that I'm going to be using is called Miniconda. And I'll post links to everything that you need to download in the descriptions, obviously. Next, if you're new to Python and programming in general, I highly recommend visiting Corey Schafer's YouTube page and watching some of his tutorial playlists. He explains everything pretty well and in a concise and clear manner, much more clear than I can. Next, what you need is Git, and since all my code is available on GitHub, it'll make things easier for you. You can download Git for free on whatever OS that you're using, whether that's Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. And once you've downloaded Git, you can just paste this command onto the terminal and all the code will be available to you. And that's basically it. So once you're all set up, continue on to the next video where you can begin developing some desktop applications.